जोड़ियां ऊपर से बनकर आती हैं। इस बात पर पूरा यकीन हो गया जब सिट्टू और टीना को देखा। सच में बिल्कुल मेड फॉर ईच अदर लगते हैं दोनों। स्मार्ट, इंटेलिजेंट और अनबिलीवेबल को मिलाकर लोग सतपाल को सिट्टू कहते हैं। A smart yet absent-minded bloke। तो चलिए उनसे मिलते हैं और सुनते हैं उनकी स्टोरी।
I'll always remember how our story began with an accident. I mean, literally through an accident. He was working on a research project with his colleagues at the library where I was working. He was a little absent-minded, but he always emerged a winner. A humble one, that. Maybe that's one of the reasons I fell in love with him. Oh yes, the accident. I was riding towards the library one morning when our absent-minded professor here was jaywalking, immersed in his thoughts and stumbled on right in front of my speeding bike. I invited him to dinner to extend my apologies, but he extended a marriage proposal instead. But this isn't the time to get nostalgic. Sittu is working so hard for the quiz. A poor baby. He's such a hard worker.
I'm in love with the shape of you. Ooh, ooh, ooh,
Sittu, seriously? Did you finish revising anything?
Of course, I revised everything. Wait, what was I supposed to revise again?
The Q-Town quiz is in a week, Sittu. We have to prepare for the fun evening. There will be some of city's smartest people attending, and all our friends are going to compete too for the 20 lakh prize money.
We recently moved to Q-Town, a quaint, almost fairy tale like town that is home to some of the most interesting people I've met. Now the town holds a quiz every 4 years, and the town's folks vote on a random topic. This year, the theme is financial ratios, and Gama and I are invited to participate. The town's favorite mathematician Sittu and his gorgeous librarian wife are the reigning champions. Now, would we be able to beat the dynamic couple? चलिए देखते हैं.
Let's revise the basics of financial ratios, darling. Please.
Yes, I'm ready.
So tell me, what are financial ratios?
Well, financial ratios are useful indicators which are used to gauge companies' performance and financial health. They are used to analyze past trends and compare companies' performance with those of other companies.
Doing good, honey. And why are they so important to investors?
Well, for the same reason as compass is required by the sailors. It shows them the way, right? For investors like us, ratios show us the right way and help us make well-informed investment decisions. Ratios are calculated by using various components in the balance sheet and P&L statement. For example, say you are considering an investment in an auto or car company. A revenue of rupees 100 crore and profit of rupees 10 crore is not enough to arrive at a conclusion on whether the company has posted impressive performance or not. Using growth ratios, we can determine whether its revenue and profits have increased or decreased over a period of time.
Correct. With ratios, we can understand quantitative as well as qualitative aspects about a company. For example, consider an FMCG company. By using financial ratios such as receivable and payable days ratios, you can tell if the company collects money faster from its customers than the time it takes to pay its creditors. If this is the case, it would mean that the company has a good working capital management.
And this will help an investor narrow down his investment options?
Yes, my dear Lovelock. Ratio analysis can bring sense to all the numbers on the balance sheet and profit and loss account. Without ratio analysis, reading a financial statement is like seeking a treasure chest in the Caribbean islands without a treasure map. With financial ratios, we can make instant decisions as to which companies to invest in by gauging the health of a company based on important parameters like its liquidity position, its management's efficiency, and its ability to generate strong returns, etc.
But to do that, we must know how to read companies' financial statements. That Moneyflix movie, it explains financial statements really well.
But Sittu, if you could tell me a little about P&L and balance sheets, I'll buy you a real nice gift perhaps.
But if I could get some rest, please.
Okay, you know what, love? Let's just step outside. You need fresh air. Come on, let's get ready.